Hey hippies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my tips and tricks that I do for my oily skin when it comes to my foundation routine. Having oily skin, trust me you guys, I know the struggle, especially when it's summertime, the weather's heating up, and we just look like hot messes after a few hours with our makeup. Even without makeup, I look like a shiny beast. And that's just the joys of having oily skin. I don't think there's any products or anything out there that's gonna stop our oils from producing and coming through our makeup because we have oily skin. So the oils are just bound to come through. That's just how life is when you have oily skin. I used to hate having oily skin, but I've grown to love it because we love ourselves around here and it's just something that makes me me. So I have learned to live with it and to embrace it, and it actually makes us look younger because our skin is just always moisturized. So that is like a huge plus. I feel like I had to switch up my whole mindset when it came to my foundation routine with my oily skin. I used to buy foundations, primers, setting spray, all geared towards oily skin and mattifying. I don't think one product here says the word mattifying in it, and I know to an oily skin person, you're like, oh my gosh, like I need all the mattifying products, and you really don't. Your oils are gonna come out no matter what if you have oily skin. So instead of trying to just hold them back, I, have come to terms that they're just gonna come out, but I just have found a routine that once they do come out, the makeup on my face isn't gonna look like gross or it isn't gonna break up and look nasty. Even when I use like a blotting sheet, it's not gonna take the makeup away. So yeah, I have really tested everything out, and this whole routine is pretty much my holy grail when it is hot. And I mean, any time of the year, I'm gonna be doing this routine. So yeah. So if you guys are interested in seeing my foundation routine for my oily skin, then just keep watching. And the first step that I always do is, of course, I'm already a little bit oily because that's just oily skin life. And I know if you have oily skin, you feel me on that. So I'm gonna take a damp beauty sponge before I apply any products besides my moisturizer. And I'm going to just block the areas where I get the most shiny, which is around my nose, my chin, my forehead, and my cheeks. Well, pretty much my whole face. So I'm just gonna take this and blot the areas that I get the most shiny because of my oily ass skin. Next up is the primer, and I've seriously tried so many primers. The one primer that I have just absolutely fallen in love with, and I've tested it a few times, you guys, and it just is amazing. And it is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Makeup. So I'm just gonna take one pump onto my hand and then take my finger to apply it, and I'm just going to like dab that little pump and just get a little bit of product and then dab it on my chin, cheek area, and forehead. And I still have a bunch of product left over, but this is pretty much all that I need to prime my skin before foundation. So I'm just going to rub that in. And I love this stuff. A little bit goes such a long way. And I'm gonna take a little bit, just like a tiny, tiny bit, and then put it along my cheeks. And for this, I like to like dab it on, just because I'm getting older. I don't wanna keep tugging at my face because, wrinkles, you don't want those. So the secret with this primer is you gotta let it just sit there for at least 5 minutes. I feel like if you put foundation on like right after you apply it, it just doesn't serve its purpose. I don't know if there's any truth to that, but that is just what works for me. And I literally just applied it and you can still feel it's kind of tacky and sticky. So I want that to dry, sink into the skin, do its thing. I love this primer. If you guys have not tried it, I know they have a sample size as well. So if you don't want to commit to the full bottle, try the sample size and I guarantee you will love it. Especially my oily skin gals, like this is the bomb. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and the primer is not as tacky anymore, but you can kind of feel a little bit of tackiness, which is fine. That's just how the primer works. Now I'm going to use a setting spray before my foundation. And I know a lot of people are like, whoa, aren't you supposed to use setting sprays after you do all your makeup? Well, that is the case, but I have noticed that if I use a setting spray before my foundations and powders, that my makeup lasts longer, the oils don't come through as quickly or as fast. So the setting spray that I use is the Urban Decay All Nighter, but it is in the Ultra Matte formula. I used to have a love-hate relationship with the setting spray because I would use it after I was done with my whole makeup routine, and it has like a white residue and that just like gets all over your face. So one day I was like, what if I use this before I do my makeup? And it's been a game changer. It's seriously all I've been doing ever since I started doing that. Like, amazing. Again, I'm gonna let this sink into my skin and dry before I do my foundation. For the white spots, I'm gonna take my damp beauty sponge and just lightly tap them away and they come right off. And again, I'm gonna take this sponge and just blot any oils that are still there or coming through. And now we're gonna do our foundation. And I am not using a mattifying, oil control, anything that is geared for oily skin foundation. I just feel like it's just too mattifying and you need some moisture in your skin if you have oily skin, because if you suck like all the oil life out of your skin, it's gonna produce more oils. So that is what I've learned. So I kind of stay away from foundations that are geared for oily skin, oil control, mattifying. I like a natural finish foundation. And there's a few that I like, but I keep going back to this one over and over, especially if I know I'm gonna be just like out and about all day and I need a full coverage, or if I'm taking pictures. It's just been my holy grail foundation. And it is the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation, and it is also oil-free. So if you've watched my makeup videos in the past, you know that I've always used a makeup sponge to apply my foundation and my concealer, but I've switched up my whole routine and I actually use the Sigma Flat Top Kabuki brush, the F80. I'm gonna put just one pump on the back of my hand. That's really all that I need for foundation. I'm gonna start on my nose and then work the product outwards. And I'm just gonna do little dabbing motions to really get the foundation into the skin. Okay, now for concealer. I'm gonna be using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I just feel like it works so good hand in hand with the Born This Way foundation. And I used to do like the Instagram, just, I don't know, heavy concealer, just like in a triangle, just pretty much all over my face, but I don't like that anymore. So how I'm gonna do it is I'm just gonna put the tiniest bit in the areas that I need it the most. So one dot right there, one right there. Any blemishes. And that's it for concealer. And I'm going to blend that out with an eyeshadow brush. Again, I used to use a damp beauty sponge, but I feel like the eyeshadow brush just really blends it out good. I don't know, I've just really been loving using an eyeshadow brush to blend out my concealer. Now it's time to set everything. If you're an oily skin gal, you know how crucial powders are to our foundation makeup routine. They're just like, we need them. So I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is a holy grail. And this is a brush from e.l.f. that I absolutely love. It is called the Small Tapered Brush. And I'm just going to get a little bit on the brush, tap it off, and then set wherever I get oily. So pretty much everywhere. I'm gonna start in the nose area because that is like the worst for me. And then just use little tapping motions to set the powder everywhere. And now to finish up my face, I'm just going to bronze, put blush, and highlight on. Okay guys, so that is it. I do not use a setting spray afterwards to lock everything in. I don't know, I've had better results with not using one than when I do use one. So yeah, I feel like I already used it because, you know, I used it before I put on my foundation. And if you have oily skin, you know in a few hours we're gonna look a little shiny. That's just how it is. So what I will use is blotting papers, and the ones that I love, they're from Amazon. I will link them down below for you guys. You get so many of them for such a good price. And with this routine, they will not take your makeup off. Even when your oils are coming through, like you'll be blown away by how it works. Like, it's crazy. And of course I had to share it with you guys because you guys are the homies. I really hope that this video helped you guys out. If you were just struggling with oily skin during the summertime, trust me, I feel you guys. Like, I know exactly what you're going through. So that's why I wanted to make this video, in hopes that it would help you guys out. If you try it, please let me know. Comment down below, find me on Instagram, throw me a DM, letting me know how you liked it. I really hope it works for you guys. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I really hope this video helped you guys out. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.